Hey guys, Flo here with my family, the Hubs, Kamsi,
Hello.
Neddy.
Hello.
We're going for a conference. Yes, a Catholic diocese invited us for a conference today. They want us to come and talk about Nigeria. They've been doing this for so many years, I think for 14 years, but they were mostly doing it with South American countries, but this year, this is the first time they're going to do it with an African country. So Nigeria is the first African country they're going to do this with. So they invited us to come and talk about Nigeria, tell them about Nigeria, you know, giving us an opportunity to tell our own story. All the things they know about Nigeria is only in the news. So they want Nigerians to come and talk about their country. So we're going to make a presentation and we're going to dance, yeah? We're going to eat Nigerian food.
Yes.
There will be a question and answer session where the attendees would have the opportunity to ask us questions about Nigeria. Yes.
In Spanish.
Yeah, everything will be in Spanish. But I'll try as much as possible to show what I can without having you lost in translation. Yes, you can see that we're all dressed up in our Nigerian or Igbo attire. So Neddy, can you remove your jacket? Let's see what you're wearing. Okay, Neddy is wearing a Nigerian dress made with Neddy. Show them the dress very well. They want to see how the...
With how?
How, like that. Yeah, so show the falda very well, okay? Who made your dress for you?
Mommy.
Yes, Mommy made your dress. It looks so nice. And yeah, it's a simple dress that I made today. Turn around, Nene. Turn around. I made it today quickly because she has outgrown all the other Nigerian clothes that she has. And then she has this ribbon, also made from the same fabric. This is Ankara. But she has a little bit of fashion fusion going on there. You can see she's wearing it with sneakers. Just like my brother was wearing Isiagu with sneakers. Daddy is wearing Ankara with sneakers, alright? And Le Herbs is wearing a typical Nigerian jumper for men. Hobby, raise your hands now. Let them see it very well. For those who are non-Nigerians.
Yeah.
And Kamsi doesn't have a traditional dress or traditional clothes. Yes, so we need more, you know. Mommy cannot make male traditional attire. And me, I'm wearing a fashion fusion as well. I'm wearing an English gown with boots.
A hat.
And a...
Hat.
It's a scarf, actually.
Yes.
That matches Neddy's own. So I am twinning with Neddy girl. Twinning. Neddy, come to this side. Let's twin together. We are twinning. Mwah. Twinning. The preparation for this started very early in the morning. I woke up and made the meat pie. Other people were making the meat pies and chin in their various homes. I made the meat pie, made Neddy's clothes, the dress that you saw her wearing. I had to make it today.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's rewind to that. Use this fabric, Ankara fabric, to make my daughter's traditional Nigerian wear for the event. Whenever I go to Nigeria, I buy Ankara fabrics that I'm not using just to keep them around so that if the need arises to make these Nigerian style clothes for these events, I'll quickly make one for my daughter. Meat pie made, dress sewn onto the hair. In this Obodo life, one has to be everything. Caterer, tailor, hairdresser, barber, and add English teacher to that if you are like us that live in a non-English speaking country. This one is called Abomma hairstyle, a traditional Igbo hairstyle. Yay. Let's see your face. Yeah. Vamos a conocer ahora. Vengo a seguir hablando de esto, pues nuestra meta está bonito, está venido. Entonces vamos a conocer, primero va a haber un vídeo sobre las primeras palabras del presidente de la asociación. Luego va a haber un pequeño vídeo y luego ya vamos a hacer las preguntas que nos salga luego de lo que ellos vayan a leer. Simplemente darles las gracias por haber dedicado una hora o 2 horas de la tarde para conocer un país justo al mundo.
Nigeria es el país más poblado del continente africano. Está en el oeste de África, con Camerún al este, República de Benín al oeste, República de Niger al norte y Océano Atlántico al sur. Nuestra moneda es el naira. Viene en denominaciones de 1000, 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, 10 y 5 naira. Su moneda se llama Kobo. Básicamente en grupos. Grupo de danza de mujeres, grupo del baile de hombres y grupo de baile de niños. En la tierra de Igbo tenemos varios instrumentos musicales, tambores, ogene y chaca, que juntos producen sonidos tan melodiosos que te gustaría levantarte y bailar tan pronto como lo oyes.
Nigeria. Sí, Nigeria es un país democrático que tiene república, sí, y tiene democracia parlamentaria.
Me gustaría mucho saber vuestra opinión sobre el cultivo del aceite de palma, porque aquí en España y en Europa está habiendo mucha preocupación por la palma africana y las condiciones de medio ambiente y de explotación de los trabajadores en la palma.
Yo creo, mi opinión personal, es algo político, porque yo creo que Europa como aceite de oliva les viene bien en cuanto al dinero, pues yo creo que están luchando contra el aceite de palma que viene de África, que tiene la ventaja de ser más barato que aceite de oliva. Pero si lo vemos aquí, es algo natural.
Winfrey, what do you think about today's event?
It was very interesting. At least Nigerians showcasing Nigerian culture, history, and people to the Spanish audience. And they were really entertained because they love all the presentations.
Wow. So you think we did a good job?
Yes.
Very, very nice.
Yes. But they were asking for yam. They said we didn't bring any yam dish or yam snack.
You understand yummy? You understand yummy?
Somebody was saying what, Nene?
They were compensated with all the,
Don't understand yummy.
they were compensated with all the other food.
The next time we will bring
meat
yummy.
pie, chin chin, assorted types of meat pie. You know, they were very, very.
Yummy.
It was very yummy. They
We
really
drank
enjoyed
Fanta.
You drank Fanta. What did mommy say about Fanta?
Don't drink Fanta.
Yeah, but
They
you are
drink smoke ups.
Small cups.
You drink 2 cups.
2 small cups.
No, you drink it like this one.
Yeah.
This one's a full cup.
There were not anything of yummy.
Yes.
The
The
next
guy-
event we will drink ramen. No?
Yeah, the next event, yeah.
Next event.
And we will take the bicycle.
It's going to be like San Agustin, no?
You take the bicycle. How are you going to ride it all the way from our house to the church? It's very far, you know.
Mommy, are we doing the next event in San Agustin?
I don't know. Wherever they invite us, we'll go.
So, let's pray.
Let's do what?
Pray.
Oh, yeah, pray now. Pray. Let me hear. But you said let's like this. Yeah, stop.